2 out of the 3 have made it up. Can the Bronco do it? I guess the Bronco can make it.
You can't yell at me now.
Nope. Right. Tell me when.
When? Crank, go that way just a little bit, I think. Uh-oh.
Try to back up just a little to get on top of this. It's a muffler. There you go.
I think should we put a rock right there? Hold up. Roll that big one over, that one by your foot or by the tire, yeah. Or even put that flat one there. There you go.
That might go. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh. Wasn't watching the phone.
Okay.
Crank.
So close. More power? More speed? Better hook a winch to the tree.
Oh.
You can try again.
But we'll probably need something.
Okay, then stop there then, if you backed up that far.
Yep. Which way should he crank his tires? To the left or to the right?
Yeah, either straight or maybe a hair right.
Go a little bit more. A little bit more to the right, I think. You want to try to... Oh, okay, okay. Oh.
Oh, that's a big rock. Yeah, this one's at least a little tall.
There's one to your right, Jason, that might... I don't know if that...
Yeah, we had that one in there before, didn't we? Yeah, I'd just go straight.
Okay.
And then once your ass comes up, then you can turn left. Come back to your right a little bit. That's
Yeah,
straight.
that, yeah.
There you go, big boy.
It's not straight to me.
I noticed.
Ready?
Yep. There you go. Bouncer.
They walk the tires on those flat rocks.
Yep.
Yep, come right here.
One way to get the front end over.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Turn to your left or your right.
Passenger is what he meant.
Yeah, passenger. Passenger.
Passenger more.
Passenger.
More passenger. Yeah. He's riding the side of the tire, or the tire on the rock.
His locker, he needs lockers.
Locker didn't engage. Okay, go passenger quite a bit. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. There you go. Now straighten driver a little. There you go. Now hold hard passenger to get it up there. There you go.
Yep. Right, straight.
You'll probably have to goose it, but you can come back a little. We got you in there. There you go.
Now goose it.
Take the rock and go, or the bump and go.
Oh, so close.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to back up much. You might have to end up giving him a pull. Can you back up at all?
No, I bet he's pinned.
Dave, stop. Okay, take your bump from there. Your driver's side will drop.
But almost hit the tree. You must be afraid of the dark. Right there. Okay. You're about to start climbing that tire. Your back tire is what's holding you up. You back up a little bit and kind of bump up that rock. A little bit, but I think he's got enough. I think if we back up and reset you.
Your wheelbase is just perfect where you're trying to climb this front rock and that rock at the same time. So that's why I want you to try and bump it. If you, like, once you get moving, use it. Okay, you're about to climb there. All right, keep them straight.
Yep. Am I straight now?
Yeah. Yep. Goose it.
I think he's still all right. There you go. Keep. You got it. Go, 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 go.
Perfect. Let's start treeing.
More to your passenger, more to your right. Okay, there's your first bump. Now crank it. Big bump.
Big bump. Go slow. Hold the brakes.
There you go.
There.
That tire's all the way down now.
Now you can slowly start cranking that way.
Yep.
Probably start coming.
Yep.
Yeah, come to the left.
Go to the crank drivers.
There you go. You're about to drop. Go slow. Got one more drop here. Nice. Slow right down.
Yep.
Not going that way. Keep going that way. Straight. Okay, you're going to start dropping here. Keep pointing passenger a little. Big drop. Okay, start turning driver. There you go, just nice and slow. First drop. Here's your second.
Clear.
Go.
Got it. Hug it to the right. Passenger side. Passenger. First drop. There you go.
Oh, nice.
All right. Take it to the driver. No, passenger.
I gotta come down.
There you go, right there. Drop. One more drop. There you go.
Clear.
Garrett's just got to play in the mud.
Oh my god! It's a Loch Ness monster.
If Garrett can do, Brandon can do it better. Go, Brandon, go. And Garrett doesn't have a clue.